For the last part of class today, let's think about ecology and how the actual South is part of depictions of Southern living, particularly in O'Connor. So, between 1928 and 1929, we have droughts that led to a dust bowl. That is this absolute devastation of the rural landscapes and the crops and the people who were supported by all that. We get some very famous pictures created by the work projects that were just trying to keep artists employed during this time, like Dorothy Lang's Destitute Pea Pickers. We have a mother and children who are migrant workers living in clearly a tent constructed by a stick and a blanket and barely able to make it. How is this sort of image reflected in the writing of O'Connor, even though it's written long after the Great Depression? People there are still mired in poverty. The WPA is trying to keep people employed. We're seeing these kinds of things. How is this idea reflected in O'Connor's work? And finally, as you close out class today, I want you to actually listen to O'Connor herself read Good Country People, or Good Man is Hard to Find, excuse me. And how does her voice impact your understanding of the text? And after all of that, remember, you need to answer these discussion questions in the comment box below. Hope you all have a great day.